everybody, I'm back for another vlog. Oh, this is a lovely day, just rain, which sucks for a Floridian. Oh yeah,
but at least it ain't snow.
Yeah, for the people in up north that are trying to get rid of y'all snow. Oh yeah, X-Sheriff posted something on Facebook about a few hours ago saying Bradford, Union, and Baker County supposed to be getting hail with rain.
Got so bad earlier. Sitting in ISSP about transport. Don't you mean sitting north clouds got something?
No, I got the camera facing me.
Yeah.
This camera's not.
Clouds got real low, hanging low.
Yes, ma'am. Oh yeah, I seen that. It looked like there was a freaking tornado out there. The
wind started to pick up really bad.
Yeah, 55 mile per hour winds. Like always. Which we all know that people hate the rainy days. And that's not where you're supposed to park the car at, dude.
Find 3 ways to quit at tobaccofreeflorida.com.
Yeah, but still, this is what we have here in Florida. It's just rain.
You know the bread to go get?
Yes, ma'am.
$1.25.
Yes, ma'am. I should vlog in there too.
Ram 1500 Bighorn Crew Cab 4x2 with a gas-powered engine with finance. Go to ramtrucks.com to find more great deals on the entire Ram lineup. Whether you're going camping in the woods, towing your boat, or hauling heavy loads, Ram 1500 is the truck for those who want it all.
Right now, I'm taking the camera with me. Taking the camera with me. Hang on, y'all. I'll see y'all when we get in there. In the store here at the Dollar General. Hang on. I gotta go over here. In the Dollar General. I get the white bread. I'll see y'all when we get back out to the car. Now we are leaving. Oh God, it's raining. It's raining now. It's raining. It's raining. Would you like your 75% back?
Download the time-saving, easy-to-use, award-winning Taste Mobile app.
Poor Anthony, he had somebody up at the line before he left. Anthony told him to have a great day. He said, "You want to know what he told me? He told me for you." I said, "Wait a minute, what?" Headlights, buddy, headlights. You saw YouTube. It looks like hey, it actually DeWitt going down that way. I just seen DeWitt's truck going down that way. Good Lord. Facebook. Aggravating me. If I could ever get my phone out. Hang on.
Attention driving professionals. It's time for you to trade up. Florida Rock and Tank Lines, a leading
I don't really care.
in the southeast for over 50
Oh yeah, nobody replied. Nobody commented on the video yesterday.
They can offer experienced drivers excellent pay and
I have absolutely zero views from those 2 videos.
If you're at least 25 years of age and have a Class A CDL license, contact Florida Rock and Tank Lines to see how much.
Yeah, we are heading home.
Now you just tell them.
Doesn't take that long to get into turning mode, idiot. Here's what I'm gonna do. I should do driver of the week. I should do dumb driver of the week. Dumb driver of the week. It would still look like there was about to be a tornado. The wind was picking up. I'm not kidding. It started blowing sand in our eyes while walking towards the gym.
Said I would have been sooner, but talked to Kathy about what happened Friday. And
50% less than other front door windows. Call Window World today at 904-443-7001 or see them online at windowworldindiana.com. Remember, at Window World,
Yeah, I don't think the rain's gonna be letting up anytime soon until tonight. It didn't even say we were gonna get rain until yesterday. We didn't even get no rain yesterday. Only thing it did was cloud up and the sun came back out. That was it. That was all we got until today. Until now. Brother came up with something stupid yesterday. No, hang on. No, it did. No, it did rain yesterday. I'm sorry. I said, hey, it's not raining. My brother says, where, inside?
Saturday.
Yeah, it rained yesterday. And you see how dumb our
It was supposed to rain Saturday.
Yeah, John gone, you lied. You're fired, John. And so are you, Mike Bursch. Now, we're just playing, we're big fans. I'm a big fan of meteorologists.
George Whitterling.
Yeah, Channel 4, the local station. Tune in live for the news. Yeah, he's 50 years old, about to be 51.
Who? George Whitterling?
Remember? He's
No, George Whitterling is... Oh,
Yeah, he's still in his 50s.
no, he's not.
He's in his 60s now?
He's on up there.
By then, he'll be in his 70s.
How did it blow?
We don't have no rope. Hannah told us to move the tent
No,
from
not
over.
the tent. I'm talking about the table. Can it?
Okay, be right back. We are working our way into the house right now. See you in my room. I can't put the blade on the counter. Hey, guess what, ladies and gentlemen? Now you see me. Now you see me? Now you don't. Look, it's the board of plumbers. Oh, what are you doing? The dog came in my room, ladies and gentlemen. Here's the board right here. I was originally going to post this to YouTube last week. Except that the video was too long to post on YouTube. But, what? What? Come here. Come here. You can see the dog has entered the room. Hey, look, I can do his voice. Prankster. Yeah, Papa. What are you doing? I'm looking at you. But now I want Mama. Prankster. Yeah, but still. This was the board I was going to show y'all last week about bullying. Last week, I came up with this board with my art material. We gotta use it next week. Oh yeah, because the weather's so bad. Okay, folks. This might be stupid. Right now I'm going to show y'all something. If a hurricane or a tornado is coming, there's a weather radio. Which mine needs a 9-volt battery from Walmart, because it's got a Radio Shack. It's a Radio Shack one out. Yeah, Radio Shack. Yeah. Basically, I could go ahead and just start taking this down. I'll come up with a new board tonight. If y'all want to see a brand new board tonight, I'll make one. Just let me get one ready right now. I'll see y'all tonight. Later. No, you know what? Let me just show you how I made the board. I'm going to need 3 or 4 sheets of paper. 3, 4 sheets of paper. My art paper. And you my deal. Right here. That's where I have my board. I put the board right here. Crap, I ran out of staples. Don't worry. I got some spare. Some spare, son. Here's how I made my board. I take 3 sheets of my art paper, of my painting paper, my paint pad. I just staple it to the wall. Hang on. Staple it down. Good. Oh, there it is. Just to get control, to another long work week gone. Yeah, I'm raising my glass of the favor ass overseas. My staple one more round. Hell, I might close this place down. Don't think for a second I'm out to drown your memory. No, don't think for a second I'm out to drown your memory. You ain't worth the whiskey. No. Baby, you ain't worth the whiskey. This is my little setup right here. Should I add a piece of paper right here? You know what? Let me try. No, y'all wouldn't see the top one. You wouldn't see it. No, actually, y'all would. Y'all actually would. Y'all could actually see it if I put one right here too. I know it's a little off course, but it will work. There. This is my setup. What would y'all like to talk about? Would y'all like to talk about basically what? Cool. I need some fresh ideas. Like, y'all want to know more about meteorology? Okay. That'll be in tonight's video then. That'll be in tonight's video. Okay. That's all. So stay safe. So be safe and stay strong, America.